Good evening everyone, this is Shimpi Khatri from Persona and Academy for Spoken English and Personality Development in Jaipur. Today I am talk about how to overcome mistakes and hesitation. In one of my videos I discussed 3 magical factors versus your fear to attain any foreign language. But in this video I am talk about how to overcome mistakes and hesitation. Most of the people fear speaking in English because they are worried about their incorrect English or say poor English. They are worried what others will think about it if they do mistakes. There are several factors which play a vital role in inhibiting students to acquire any foreign language and to attain fluency or command over it. Self-judgment, self-perception, fear of being judged, hitch to practice in front of others, shyness, poor level of confidence, no concentration, and n number of factors which work on it. But the question is, should we really need to worry upon these things? Should we really care about these things? But the most important question is how to overcome such problems. Yes, we can surely overcome them. Point number first, don't fear of making mistakes. Yes, always remember that having fluency is not just dream. If you need to have fluency, you need to work upon it. When you work, you will definitely make mistakes. This is an integral part of learning process. When we are in learning process, we are in working and expansion of our vocabulary, diction, phonetics, grammar, and n number of things which we are working upon. So we are bound to make mistakes. If we are doing mistakes, do them, but tend to correct them, tend to mend them, because without opening your mouth you cannot have fluency. Same way, without practice you cannot have perfection. When we are kids, we are expected to do mistakes and it is acceptable by everyone. But when we are adults, when we become adults, we are reluctant. We are vulnerable to make mistakes. So please don't think about such things. Please keep on working on it. To meet perfection, this is very important to keep learning. Point number second, resist yourself from fears. Resist yourself from hidden pressure like peer pressure or say family pressure, because what happened, students don't come out of their shyness because they are afraid if they speak in English, their friends will make fun of them. If they speak in wrong English, they will be point of fun. But if they do so, drop them there only. Think about your priorities and do practice. Point number third, do mirror practice. Mirror is your true companion. It won't judge you. It's going to give you better and better. It will help you to learn fast. It will assist you to work on your expressions, your gestures. It will make you to learn faster. Point number fourth, if you learn any foreign language, always remember that this is your lifelong asset. It's going to remain with you forever. It's going to pay you. It will build and nurture your social network. It will help you to express in front of others. It will help you to interact with others. So definitely this is your lifelong asset. Point number fourth, starting point of you and the fluent speaker always remains the same. But what is the difference? What makes the difference? They travel across, leaving their hesitation behind, leaving their problems behind, and reach to the destination through mode of practice. If you need to bridge the gap, you also need to practice and break the bridge. Point number 6, motivate yourself. Each of us is good at something or the other things. Always remember this thing. When you can do masters in this, you can achieve anything. Just imagine driving case. You would have learned the driving essence, but you would have achieved perfection while practicing it. I'm sure you would not wait of traffic to be clear. You would not have wait for traffic to be hidden somewhere, they get hides themselves somewhere. You would have practiced in huge traffic or in bizarre traffic. Then why not English? Don't wait. practice in front of others, it will give you command, it will give you perfection in this thing. I'm sure I have justified the subject. I'm sure you would have understood many things and you will practice. So guys, you can write me on 9828226182 if you have any query or doubt related to this topic. Thank you so much for watching it.